Go. We're in the terminal. Oh, I should say once again, this is continuing the Mac and Linux setup for the local dev environment. If you're on Windows, go watch the Windows one. Okay, so we said we were going to practice with some of the brew commands. Let's run brew doctor, and that'll take just a few seconds. And when that's all finished, you should see something like this, or there may be some instructions there for you. Let's try brew update, which probably won't do much because we just saw that the doctor said that our system is ready, but you can always run an update. Doesn't hurt anything. And you may see something like this that comes back. And of course, I'm going to have a few more things than you probably will, but regardless. So those are just a couple of commands to be aware of, and really we're just practicing, right? Practicing the formatting. Here's what we want to run, and here's the name of the command. So let's try installing with brew install wget. And you can see I've already got wget set up, but your display will be just a little bit different. So finally, I'm going to direct you back into the browser here. So let's use our shortcut keys. Again, on Mac, we can do Command space. If you're on Windows, I think you can hit maybe the Windows key, and it'll pull up some type of similar search functionality. And I'm going to pull up Chrome. A delightful and open source or whatever. And all we need to do is some more copying and pasting. We can do it via curl or via wget. And once again, you'll grab all of this. Now note that you will not copy the $sign, just everything after that. This $sign just represents the prompt in the terminal. So you don't actually copy that. Just copy the actual command, which again, we're not going to get too much into this, but essentially we're using wget to grab some resources. And .sh is a shell script, but we'll leave it at that. So simply copy that, paste that into your browser, into your terminal. And when you're finished with that, go ahead and close out your terminal and reopen it just to make sure all of the changes take effect. So you can actually literally just type exit, and that will take care of that.